Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released Snapshot 22W06A. I'll be showing you the most important tweaks and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's new in the snapshot, just keep on watching. The main technical change is that any type present in registries such as blocks, items, biomes, and many more can now have tags. These new tags will also be stored in data packs under the tags directory just like the old ones. The names of the new tag directories are the same as registry names, so they'll look like this for example. However, there was also another change implemented, but this one only applies to players in South Korea. Due to laws in South Korea, the developers added gameplay timers and notices to help remind players to take a break from gameplay every now and then. That's it for technical changes, but stay tuned if you want to hear the bug fixes that have been made. A persistent error was that in the 1.18 update, the Super Flat World Water World settings were out of date. This was seen where if you started a Super Flat World with the 1.18 settings and encountered an ocean monument, the monument would look like this. As you can see, the building would be above water and sea level was set to the wrong height due to the World High update. Luckily, this issue has been resolved though. Moving on, another issue found in some versions was that when boosting upwards with firework rockets, the particles would be way too close to the screen and appear as if they were flashing. Fortunately, the issue has now been resolved in the snapshot and particle appearance is back to normal. Lastly, a strange bug that occurred in 1.18.1 was that while using a Riptide enchanted trident in the rain with a parrot on your shoulder, the parrot would die shortly after. This seemed to be an issue with the parrot AI flying in front of the player and getting hit, but luckily this has also been resolved. Those are all the important changes that have been made on the snapshot, but if you want to check out the full snapshot article, the link will be in the description. Furthermore, you can head over to Server.pro and make a free server if you want to explore the snapshot with friends. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from my channel though, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!